Today is Friday, March 14th, and today I learned, and kind of over the past few days I've been realizing that pretty much, just generally, anything good requires something hard or bad in our eyes. So, kind of to be more specific, like I've talked about like how we need to be looking at things in the long term, because anything good in the long term requires pain or hardness in the short term. So an example, like working out, right? If you choose to work out, that is hard and painful in the short term, but in the long term, you'll be healthier, happier, better overall. And I've just been finding that, like, not even within time, but with just like anything. Like I went to like a softball training thing today, and my hitting coach has something on her wall that says success requires failure. Success requires failure. And I was kind of just like standing there and thinking about it, and I was just like, yes, that is so true. Like, success requires failure. You can't just like, if you want to be really, really successful at something, you can't just you won't just be able to 100% go through it with zero failures. Like, that is not how this works. If you really want to succeed at something, then you will have to fail. Like, that's just how it works. You won't just be automatically put into number one spot, right? But then it just got me thinking about, like, anything good really requires something bad to happen. Like, it's kind of the same thing. Like, if you are saying yes to something, you're also saying no to something else. So it's in the same way, like, if you are trying to achieve this good thing, you will have to relinquish another part of you. So, like, if you're working out, you have to relinquish your comfort and your comfort in order to receive something good. So basically what I'm trying to say is, if you want to see something good, you will have to sacrifice something else. If you're saying yes to something, then you're saying no to something else. So, or other way around. So that's what I learned today. Sorry it's a quick one, but had to be. This is the video that I posted yesterday. I actually feel pretty good about that one. It's about trying to be more intentional. You can subscribe in that corner, and if you subscribe, I will see you in tomorrow's video.